And it's not so far out as here.
Oh, that's good.
And there's hotels and stuff around.
It was very bad for people who have hotels. Really bad.
Well, I live about an hour and 45 minutes from here, and I just drive up there.
Wow.
I mean, you know, if I had to drive 30 miles, I might as well drive home.
Why not? I agree with you.
I mean, it's been the same either way. Why not go home and my dog's been comfortable and...
Well, that's what I do when I show in Ocala, Florida, because I live outside of Orlando. It's an hour and a half. I'm going home.
Yeah.
It's not worth me
And they can
staying.
go out in the yard and run and it was great.
Exactly. It's much better.
Look at this view.
I know she's trying to help me. It's so sweet. I'm going to put his head through the little gate. It's so cute. He would be about 8 years old, maybe?
I don't know if he's 7.
7.
Maybe he's
7.
7.
Huh?
7.
7, see? I have a 10-year-old grandson, so I'm trying to judge. But he's very, is this your little boy?
No, it's our friends.
Oh, okay.
Friends.
Very sweet. Oh, she's helping. Let me get out of the way. They all have to go. You got to be on the side. On the way.
Ha ha ha.